Hello everyone, it's me again, Tarsher. Welcome back to our channel. So today, we're cooking a baked salmon. It's a fillet. So, we just start with the sesame oil. And then the fish sauce. Okay. And then lime or lemon, whatever you have available. So, mine is lime. Yan. Mas masarap pag maraming lime. And you know, this is only my food because my family doesn't eat this. So I just put a lots of garlic. Nasa sa inyo yon kung paano nyo lutuin. Pero i-bake ko siya. Tapos, lagyan ko ng tanglad para may lasa siya. And then, we just over it. And we will bake this one for an hour and 250 degrees. See you in a... So, the salmon is already cooked. Actually, this is a baked salmon. Oh, it's so delicious, if you can see it. It's a little bit burn on the side, but it tastes good. See. Mmm. It's so yummy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye for now.